Hey everyone, if you're watching this means you are in my kitchen. Today I am preparing clam meat with vegetables. So let's start. I have here the spices. So I have here as well sliced tomatoes, and the clam meat, and the bokchoy or the petchay. I sliced them in small pieces so they're ready to go. First thing, we have to put oil in the pan. So now we're ready to stir fry all the spices, the garlic. We'll add the onion. And let's put on the ginger. Let's just stir. And we are ready to put on the tomatoes. So we'll just stir that one until it would be soft. We can also add a little bit of pepper and a tablespoon of fish sauce. As you can see, the tomato is now becoming soft and watery. Just need a little bit more. And at this point, we are ready to put on the clam meat. We'll just stir it and let the tomato cover it. There you go. Now this is a pre-cooked clam, so we don't need to cook it too long. There you go. I will add a little bit of water. So now I think it's pretty good, so I can add up the vegetable. So this is it. We'll just mix it up and wait for the vegetable to be soft, and it's ready to serve. Hope you like it, and subscribe for more local food recipes in my kitchen. Thank you for watching.